Hey friends, this is Sulema here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get no copyright photos for free. We search photos from Google for YouTube thumbnail. Some of them are taking photos for their WordPress and all. In that, some of the photos are copyrighted. So here are the way to get no copyright photos for free. You can download any type of photos from this. Here you can search any photos you need and simply just download the photos. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updated videos. See you in the next one. Bye.